On today's quick fix, we're going to show you how to reprogram a replacement keyless entry remote for your 1999 through 2009 Mustang. This replacement keyless entry remote is very inexpensive and is a perfect way to replace your worn or damaged factory remote. It's going to program very easily and will fit all 1999 through 2009 Mustangs. Now, to program your new remote, you are going to need an original remote that does work. Doesn't matter if it's broken or damaged, but it has to function. If you don't have an original, you will have to go to the dealer to get it programmed. The process is pretty simple. Put the key in the ignition and cycle it from off to run 8 times. On the 8th time, leave it on run and the horn's going to honk. At which point you'll hit any button on this remote, then hit any button on this remote within 20 seconds and it'll program. And again, it's 8 times in 10 seconds. You want to do this really quickly. Doors will lock. We hit unlock. Unlock on our new remote. Turn off, they lock, and you're finished. Having a spare keyless entry remote is never a bad idea to begin with, and with these cars being anywhere from 10 to 20 years old, I'm sure a lot of you have worn out factory remotes where a nice remote would be a nice touch. As you saw, the installation is very simple, taking no more than about 30 seconds, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.